Today we're going to this abandoned military polygon or a base. I don't know if it's how should I say, if it's well preserved, but it's in the middle of nowhere. There is some weird like structures right there, but this is the road, and we'll see if there's something interesting. Oh damn. A lot of mud. Look at this. Damn. We managed to get inside from my back. We saw dogs, but no people. A pool or something. Nice. There were signs that other people have been here. We saw some bottles like this. A trap. There is a path. Like there. Кучетата са на там. Още надолу трябва да има хангари. Края на оградата е това. Трябваше да продължим по пътя. Това е края на оградата. Там е ограда. Ми ще минем от друг път. Виждам някаква сграда. Виждаш ли? Асбестос. Да минем през главния път после. Да. What a beautiful day. And they're guarding this. It's nothing interesting. Искате ли първо да видим до края да няма някой и тогава да експлорваме вътре къщите? So we want to find out the hangars, what are they, but it's not a тук е било обор. И прасета е било сигурно, царят се посмята. Май, да. Поне обувките измих ми. Гледай ми краката. Ще ми дай. Empty houses. Да видим там за пътечка, защото трябва да мина отзад.
Пътечката може просто да изчезне от това.
Да. If somebody caught us here, like, we couldn't just run away, like. Има бодлива тел. Нищо не е. Видя ли? Не дейте идвайте, няма смисъл. Nice. Look at this, a respirator for a gas mask. Nice. Damn. Една чантичка. Chemical storage. This is a changing room. This another chemical storage. Same place, same room. Kinda meh, huh? What do you think? You hear the dogs?
No.
Shh. Чуешь? Oh, sure. Look. Shotgun shells. But they're old. Really old. There's a couple of hangars on our left, but we tried to go on the first time, but there were a lot of barbed wire and stuff. So on the map there is like a road. Hopefully we can go on the road without the dogs or anybody seeing us. The main entrance. There should be a road around here. Не, там има ли изход? Надолу. Дай ред, нали? Дай, мърт. Иди, редник. It would be nice if there was some tank better or something. There is no doors, but I want a tank. Oh, I think this is the end of the military base, polygon something, I don't know. It was nothing special, but it was fun. And now, back to the muddy road to our starting point. Well, we managed to get out and it's our way back. Where are we going back? We went to one of the hangars and we found a cool art of a missile. I'm going to show you on it on the screen. But yeah, it was fun. Nothing particular, but the art was cool. Yeah, probably. Something to say, boys?
I'm hungry.
Yeah.